this was a small order that I placed at Holo Taco, basically to get this, and I actually got 2 of them. This was the only nail polish color I did not have. And this is Party of One Purple. And this was a color that had been formulated for another set and was never released because it wasn't ready in time. And now it is. And I ordered 2 because I was freaking out about the fact that this was the only color nail polish I did not have by Holo Taco. While I was ordering, I also bought another smoke show because I really like that. That's the one with the little squares and triangles. And I bought a second everything taco because this is the stuff I use on literally everything. For example, my glasses have Holo Taco on them now. I did it on something else. I can't remember what it was. The last thing that I ordered, I'll get it out of the bag. There is a rewards loyalty program now, and I decided to use my rewards for something that I never had before. There's something that... So this is the... They call it a dad hat, but it's just a baseball cap. And I didn't buy it because it's not something that I would... Not that it isn't something that I would use. It's just we have baseball hats, so there was no point. But because it was, I got it with my loyalty points, I thought, well, it's the only item she's made that I don't have. Now that I've got Party of One, there was nothing left. I've got the nail file, I've got the slippers, I've got the hair scrunchies, I've got the nail kit set. I didn't have one of the hats. So I thought, well, this is perfect. I can get one of the hats and not actually have to pay for it. So there you go. That's my haul. And I need to paint my nails today. So I'm going to use what I bought here and do my nails. Okay. I think I look like crap in a baseball cap, but I figured you should see it. Okay, that's actually not bad. I would probably wear this. I wasn't sure because it's black and we live in Florida, and I was thinking that it'd make my head even hotter. But I like it. I like the band. I like the color shift from one side to the other. I think that's kind of cool. It's not hollow, but it's got a color shift, so it's cool.